In this video, we'll be talking about geometric mean. And so the geometric mean of two positive numbers, a and b, is the positive number x that satisfies a over x is equal to x over b. So our geometric mean is x, and basically it makes this proportion true. And so there are different ways that we can rewrite this. So if I were to actually go ahead and cross multiply, I get x times x is equal to x squared is equal to a times b. So this proportion is the same thing as x squared equals ab, and then if I were to solve that, I would take the square root of both sides to get that x is equal to the square root of a times b. So let's go ahead and practice actually finding the geometric mean of numbers. So first I want to find the geometric mean of 24 and 48. Well, I know that x squared is equal to a times b, so x squared is equal to 24 times 48. Well, 24 times 48, I get that x squared is equal to 1,152. And then I can take the square root of both sides. Now here we're going to again practice our simplifying radicals. So I'm going to go ahead and use a factor tree on this. So I can, since it's an even number, I know I can divide it by 2. So if I divide by 2, I get 576. Divide by 2 again, I get 288. Divide by 2 again, 144. $72. 36. And then I noticed that 36 is actually a perfect square, so I could just go ahead and write this as 6 and 6. So I have another pair that comes out. And so now I'm going to be looking for all my pairs. So I see I have a pair of 2s, and then a pair of 6. And so that means that I get that x is equal to my one pair of 2 times my other pair of 2s times my pair of 6s. And I'm left with just a 2 in the radical. And then 2 times 2 is 4, times 6 is 24, root 2. Okay, let's try another one. So here I want to find the geometric mean of the numbers. So I have x squared is equal to my two numbers multiplied together, so 12 times 27. Well, 12 times 27, I get 324. And then I want to take the square root of both sides. So again, I need to simplify this radical so I can divide by 2 since this is even. And I get 162. Divide by 2 again, and I get 81. 81, I see that can be divided by 3. So I get 3 and 27. 3 and 9, 3 and 3. So I look for all my pairs. So I have a pair of 2s, I have a pair of 3s, and I have a pair of 3s. And so this one actually came out even. I actually used everything. So that means that x is equal to 2 times 3 times 3. So x is equal to 18. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try number 3 on your own. When you think you have it, go ahead and press play. So the answer you should have gotten is x is equal to 18 times the square root of 3. When you are using the factor tree to simplify these radicals, if you come across one that you know is a perfect square, so like for instance, I knew that 81 is a perfect square, so I just went ahead and separated it as 9 and 9. That will save you some time, especially with these bigger numbers.